It happened too long ago for me to remember it clearly, but it used to be real loud. With people talking and yelling, dogs barking and trucks driving on. Nobody's been here for a long time now. And my brother says nobody's coming. Seemed like the sun just went down one night. And when it came back up, it was still dark. And there was nothing and nobody.